Just want to show a little something I put together here. This is an Echo Flex with a motion sensor on it. Now it's easy for the elderly to ask Alexa for the time. For example, if I could say, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:37 a.m.
But sometimes if the memory starts to fail, you get dementia, get confusion, it may be hard to remember exactly what to say. So what I've done is put this motion sensor on here and wrote an Alexa routine. So see the
Hi,
blue?
Grandpa. The time is 10:37 a.m.
Just makes it a little easier. So you have to be careful. Yeah, I had to tape this up so it only looks at a small space, and positioning is important. But it can give them a nice feature where they don't have to remember the exact command. You could use it for other things, do more complex commands. You could turn on and off lights with this kind of thing. So it's just a simple, it's not a button. I can't find a button for Alexa routines, but it's just a motion sensor placed
Hi,
properly.
Grandpa. The time is 10:38 a.m.
And that's it.